Hi everyone, welcome back. This is just another short video to show you some beads that I ordered from Totally Beads, all different colours. These are the purples and lilac section, so that I bought. Basically, these are 6mm, perfect for my cluster bracelets and also some other, jewellery that you want to make. Gorgeous colours. They are actually I can show you, they are actually a double strand, so they're knotted at the end, at one end. So basically on each strand is around 50, maybe 60 beads on each strand. So what I've done is I've ordered double strands, which actually they sell in bulk, which actually works out cheaper, especially if I'm going to be making lots of bits and pieces. So those are the purples, and then we have the I sort of mix them up a little bit, so you have your sort of like sky blue, and then you have a green and also a lighter green, sort of greeny blue, maybe a teal colour, I think, maybe, I don't know. Sometimes it's difficult to determine the colour, but they're actually quite nice. Again, double strands, which is good. Sorry about the noise in the background. I've got them in a plastic storage container, so it's a bit noisy. You've got your grey ones. This was a double strand, but I did put them some in a bag because I was actually going to make some earrings, so it's a little bit easier to just throw them into a little bowl so I can pick my beads out of. So those are the grey. You've got a sort of a pearly light grey, and then you have a sort of more clear grey, which is quite nice. So you could add them to a necklace, a bracelet, earrings. So I mean, with the grey also, I also got these a strand of 6x5 rondelles, glass rondelles. These are very pretty, very shiny, so they would go, with those. So those are the greys. I also bought these ones, single strand. There's probably about 90 or 100 on here, beads. Absolutely gorgeous colour. Not sure what I'm going to do with these yet. Probably maybe you can, as I'm moving the camera, you can actually see the pinks in there, and it's the orange, pinks, clear, really nice colours. So what I'm thinking of is maybe making a cluster bracelet and some matching earrings to go with them, which would be really nice for the summer. Then you have your bit of a racket, sorry. Then you have your pinks. So you have like a baby pink, sort of pastel pink, and then oops, sorry. And then you have these pink, sort of darker pink, so they're quite nice. And then with the pinks as well, you have these sort of clearer pink, which are, find you a better bit to see, there we go. So really nice clear pinks. So yeah, so I think I got something like 10 of the round beads. I think it was something like 10 strands for £13. And then obviously with these rondelles, I think there was about 7 strands for £10 or something like that. So they are very cheap. You get quite a lot on a strand. especially the double strands. Basically the double strands work out at, you know, £1.34 or something, you know, if you buy in bulk, so which is an absolute bargain. I can make loads of things with these, so yeah, that's it for the round beads. I bought a bag of sort of crystal beads, which were, one second, I've got to open the bag. If I tip them out, then you can see them better. Just hope my cats aren't around to knock them off. These ones are crystal beads. They're glass, and some really gorgeous colours. You know, you have your pinks, your blues, your orange, your topazes, green, sky blue. You have your blacks, and also like a purple. You know, they are really, really nice. Really, oh, there's an orange there. Is it orange? Yeah, it looks orange. It's an orangey red bead. Obviously, it's going to probably be difficult to find matching sizes, but they can be made into a nice, lovely necklace. I could add some of the round beads with it, or these rondelles. So you have like some really nice shapes and colours. So yeah, they're also from Totally Beads, and this bag is a 100-gram bag, all different sizes and colours, and I think they were £2.75, so an absolute bargain. They will probably last me a while, these ones. I love the blues. They seem to stick out, or stand out more than the other colours. I really like the blue ones. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and if you want to see more, like and subscribe to my channel, and hopefully soon, in the next sort of 2 or 3 videos time, I will be making some necklaces and bracelets. Okay, thank you, bye.